Okay guys, this video is very impromptu. This is actually a part of my collection that I wanted to show you guys and I completely forgot. It was supposed to be part of my pigment video if you guys watched that one. And my collection series has been going on from October to November, but this one is just like something that I forgot, which are my setting sprays and my lashes. And something did come up, so I'm not able to film the video that's supposed to go up today. So I thought I'd just show you guys this part of my collection since I completely forgot to include it in my other video. And if you guys will have one last collection video, my last one was my palette collection. Thank you for all of the people who watched that and just support me. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. Let's just have a nice relaxing Sunday and talk about some setting sprays and some lashes. Just get right into it if that interests you. I do upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and I talk about a lot of affordable and drugstore makeup here. So if you could stick around and subscribe, that would be amazing. So let's just get into it. So these are all my setting sprays. I don't have that many. The first one here is from LA Colors, and this is their facial mist, and this is the hydrating one. If you guys saw my Dollar Tree-ish video, it's like a full face of new makeup and stuff. It went up recently and it was a really fun video. This one's really nice, definitely is hydrating. And what I love about Dollar Tree makeup is that it's very travel friendly. Not only like do you have to travel out of the country to need these types of products, you can definitely take it on the go in your purse or whatever, in your makeup bag. I know a lot of people don't have time to do their makeup at home. This is perfect to throw in your bag and go. It comes with this little nozzle. It's really nice. The mist is just a tad bit aggressive, but I mean, it feels good on the skin. I've had worse, trust me. Really nice and really compact. So this is really nice. And these nails are actually also from LA Colors and from the Dollar Tree. Really cute. So LA Colors, they do have some really great things. So that's the first setting spray. The next one here is the A+ setting spray, and this is from the Shop Missy site. You guys know I live for Shop Missy. I love them and I just always am on their website. So this one actually I believe came in a kit or I purchased it, I don't remember. But really nice spray. I actually haven't been using it. I've been trying to use up one of my other setting sprays, but such a beautiful mist and it really does work. It's really nice for $1. I feel like this is a really affordable option if you're looking for a new setting spray. Really nice, and they also have a primer spray as well. So really beautiful product and really glad that I have it in my collection. Next one is from Beauty Creations. As you guys know, I also love Beauty Creations. They're one of my favorite brands and they carry so many great things, and their setting sprays are definitely one that stands out to me. I used to have a coconut one, definitely my favorite, but this one definitely comes close second. This is their rose setting spray. These retail for around $6.99 and I really enjoy these setting sprays, and they actually did come out with a bunch of stuff for holidays, so I am going to pick up a couple things hopefully in the coming weeks. They did come out with like a mini kit of their setting sprays, so I'm really excited to pick those up and try some new scents. But this is really nice and the spray is really fine and it just smells really good. The smell isn't overpowering. I really enjoy this and I always rave about Beauty Creations, so definitely recommend you guys check out their setting sprays. I have a couple more here. So I have 2 of the Beauty Treats facial mists, and one of them is the Cucumber Aloe. Excuse the sun, like I mentioned in my other video, it's since they changed the time, it's just like the sun is just doing some crazy things at weird hours. You guys know it's like getting darker so fast. But this is their Cucumber and Aloe facial spray, really nice. And then I also have their rose water. So these are really beautiful as well. I believe they retail for like $3.99 or something. I recommend you guys check it out. They're really nice. And I feel like you can't really go wrong with facial mist because it works. It works well when you're having a long makeup day and you just want to refresh your makeup. I feel like these work so well. So happy that they're part of my collection because I just got to try something new from Beauty Treats, and Beauty Treats has so many great items already. So definitely suggest you guys try these. And the last setting spray is actually from EBIN New York. You guys know I love EBIN New York. I always talk about them, whether it's eyeshadows, eyebrow pencils, eyeliners, everything. I just really enjoy their brand, and this is a product that stands out to me from their brand that I've always raved about since the beginning. This is their EBIN air powered matte setting spray. Really beautiful, reminds me of the setting spray from Morphe. The continuous spray is definitely very similar to that. It comes like in this aerosol kind of spray nozzle situation, and it's really nice, such a fine mist. The smell, it smells really clean, and it just always recommend this because it's so good. Definitely recommend it. And also comes in a white packaging, and that one's the dewy version. This one here is the matte version. So that's actually the last setting spray. Now we can move on to lashes. Let's talk about these. These are the Ioni Irresistible 3D Faux Mink Lashes. These are some of the styles that I haven't had a chance to try out on the eyes yet, but oh my goodness, I have another pack ready to go. I do have an Ioni section in my next massive drugstore haul, so if you like drugstore hauls, go ahead and stick around. I do those basically every month now, once a month. So I do have a couple sets from Ioni coming up. I did repurchase this, and such a gorgeous set of lashes. I love Ioni lashes. They sell these at the Dollar Tree. This specific kit I purchased from Burlington, and it was $7.99. And I also have some finds on my Instagram showing some of their other sets, but these are really beautiful, so easy to apply, and they last such a long time. So definitely recommend Ioni lashes. I have my lashes in this little kit. My sister gave it to me. And okay, so let's take them out. Let me see. So starting here, I do have a couple of Shawn Masay lashes. If you guys saw my full face of Shawn Masay, you guys saw the Alexis lashes in action. That video is going to be down below if you haven't watched it and you want to. Really gorgeous fluttery lashes, definitely recommend. These are perfect for that person who loves those everyday kind of like just fluffy lashes that are not going to take over the whole eye. Perfect for those everyday kind of looks. So definitely recommend the Alexis lashes. And then I also have these are like the first ones that I purchased on the Shawn Masay site. These are their Scarlet lashes. I actually did place a big order on the Shawn Masay site recently for lashes, so those are going to be coming in soon. And then these were actually the first Beauty Creations lashes that I got in one of their mystery boxes. I just haven't gotten rid of them, but I never really reach for them, so they're just there. And then these are the, honestly don't even know what these are, but yeah, so these two are really nice, but I definitely recommend the Alexis more. I just like them more than the Scarlet. But as you can see, they're not that different. The Alexis are just a little more fluttery and fluffy towards the end. I have a couple of Beauty Creation lashes because, as you guys know, I got their Lash mystery box, which I actually want to purchase again. So I do have a couple of their lashes, and some of these lashes don't have a home, so we'll talk about those. Like this, I finished the pair up in Unlock, and I just got rid of them. I believe I mentioned them in my recent empties or something, but I do keep the box just in case I want to put some of the Ioni lashes somewhere. It's perfect, like it's a perfect case to put different types of lashes, so that's why I keep that. And then we have these style in Offended. I haven't really worn these. These are really subtle. I can show you guys up close. So that's how those look. They're just so natural that I'm just not drawn to them. This one came in their mystery lash kit, so if you're into those very subtle lashes, you're gonna love these. But honestly, I haven't reached for them at all. Yeah, they're just there. The ones that I recently put to great use are the Beauty Creations lashes in Realness. These are so beautiful. I did have to cut them because they were a little too long for my eye, but I actually posted a look on my Instagram, and these are just so pretty and they just make a statement. So that's why I love reaching for these, and definitely gonna repurchase when they're gone. And I have these in Extra, also some that I haven't touched. I don't know what it is, but these are really fluffy, and like the name suggests, they're a little extra. So I do have to put these on eventually. I just kind of forget about them. I don't know what it is, but these are really nice as well. They look a little natural, but for a nice like smoky moment or something, these are going to be perfect. I have a couple of the Shawn Masay AOA Studio lashes. I haven't opened them. This one here is in the style Brianna, and as you can see, really spread out and very natural. So I haven't touched these at all. I do need to start reaching for these. As you can see, they're only $155. So yeah, we have to try these out soon. The ones that I did try on, I believe for a Shawn Masay video, are the ones in Jackie. Really nice, also very natural. So yeah, those are the two. I did order some more. Hopefully I didn't purchase the same ones, but yeah, I have those two. I actually tried out recently, and this is part of the 90s Baby Cosmetics Sanderson Sisters set, and these are their Sarah lashes. You guys saw these in action in that video, the unboxing as well as the try on video. Really gorgeous look that we created, and these lashes are really dramatic but really gorgeous. They look like little W's. It's just so nice and fluffy. Definitely recommend you guys check out their Sanderson sister set. As I always say, like, it's really nice. The palette it comes with is gorgeous, and the lashes are really nice as well. So we have the EBIN New York lashes, and these are in September. I'm not really the biggest fan of these lashes. I don't know what it is. Every time I purchase the ones in this type of packaging, they're just really thick and just for me a little hard to keep on the eye after a long day. But these are really nice. They're just, I don't know, I haven't really reached for them recently. So they've just been in the package, but yeah, it's just like the band is a little too thick for me. These are also from EBIN New York, and these are the ones in Virgo. So as you can see, these are little like thin in the front and then more wispy towards the end, and these also are really thick in the band. So I haven't really reached for them, but as you can see, I've used them a couple times, but ever since then I haven't touched them. So these here are also from 90s Babies. These actually came like this in one of their mystery kits, so I don't know the name, like it didn't come with any name on it, but these are really nice and I can't wait to use these. These are also another pair from 90s Baby Cosmetics, and these are their Bratty Babe lashes. Again, no name on it, but these actually came, I believe, in the mystery kit as well. These are really nice and fluttery. Can't wait to use these on the eye. They just look really beautiful. So this pair is actually from the 99-cent store, and this is the Anika pair of lashes. I don't remember who the brand is, but these, I mean, a little too everyday-ish for me, a little too natural. They're just a little plasticky as well, so these are some that I'm going to get rid of. I don't think I'm going to use them on the eyes anymore. I just don't like them. I tried them on, but yeah, they just didn't look good on the eye, so I just have them there. Everything's a little spread out, like we're getting towards the end. These are from AOA Studio, and these are their Stella black eyelashes, 100% natural hair. Really pretty. They look a little spidery, which is why I haven't tried them on. These actually came in one of their mystery kits that we unboxed recently, but yeah, I haven't really tried them on the eye. They just look a little scary, but we'll try them out soon just to see how they look. So I do have two, I believe. These are actually stacked lashes from EBIN New York that they sent me, so I could do a look with them, and these are in the style 08, and I believe it's stacked up with another style. I believe it was like 05 or something. I did have to stack them up because these are so natural. But I did have these on for a look on my Instagram, and I'll have that on the screen. Really beautiful, but these are just a little too natural for me. I have a couple of miscellaneous kind of lashes. These are, I don't even know, I believe these are Beauty Creations. I don't know, because Beauty Creations also, they tend to have a more like thick kind of band. So I believe these are Beauty Creations. I could be wrong. And then these are Ioni for sure. Really thin band, really fluttery towards the ends, and really gorgeous as well. So definitely Ioni Lash. That's how you know. I believe these are Beauty Creations, so these are really pretty. You guys saw my massive drugstore haul. You guys know I got two of the LA Colors lashes. These here are in the style Brilliant. Really pretty. They are quite natural, both of them are, but this pair here is in the style Wander. As you can see, more fluffy than the other style, so these are really pretty. I definitely recommend. Really thin band as well, really easy to apply, perfect for everyday looks. A couple of Ioni lashes here. These actually I haven't reached for or opened at all, which is weird. These are in wispy medium, really pretty. Definitely have to reach for them. As I said, like, I'm more into those kind of lashes that make a statement, lashes that are there, more glam kind of lashes. So these are really natural, and I did purchase these from the 99-cent store a while back, but really natural. I guess that's why I haven't opened them. And then these I've had for such a long time, I'm gonna have to get rid of them. They have mascara on them. These are in Natural Doll. Really pretty. They were super thin, like you could barely see them, but I did add mascara, which is why they look like that. So I'm gonna have to get rid of these soon. But Ioni, again, they have some really great lashes. And lastly, we have Base Blue Cosmetics. You guys know, if you guys saw my massive drugstore haul, they sent me two lashes, and these here are in the style Swift. One of my favorite lashes. Really great. I've already used them like 3 times. They're just so good. And then these here are in this style Tree Pie. We tried these out for a video. Both of them actually, we tried them out for different videos. Really gorgeous. If I had to recommend one, I recommend Swift. These are just more fluffy and just more wispy looking on the eye. So these are really pretty. $11 on their website. Really gorgeous lash. That's actually it. Those were all my lashes, all my setting sprays and stuff. If you guys like these type of videos, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a big like if you want to see more. And this is actually the last bit of my collection that I needed to show you guys. Everything that I talked about and the names of the prices are going to be down below in the description box, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I mentioned last week. Don't forget I upload on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday 3 times a week, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a little makeup finds from jokes that are high end. So if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.